my name is Rachel and my role at Awesome Engineers is to make the worksheets that you use after you've completed your model. They're all linked to the national curriculum, so they're helping your learning in school as well. When I get the model design from Robert, I spend some time with my 4-year-old son building it, and that's the most exciting thing about my job, is getting the build instructions and building that model with my son and seeing his face once we've made it and turning it on and seeing what it does. I love doing that. The reason that I love Awesome Engineers is that it focuses on mechanics. And in schools there's a lot of focus on computing and programming, but you need to know the mechanics behind that, how gears work, how pulleys work, how levers work, all those things, because if you ever want to program a robot, for example, you need to know how the mechanics side of the robot works first. So my background is in science communication. I used to work at a place called Intech, which is now Winchester Science Centre, and that's where I used to run workshops for children of all ages. We used Lego, we used Connects, we used lots of other building materials, and we would make rockets, we would make racing cars, we would make parachutes, all kinds of things. I also got to do planetarium shows there, and that was really cool. I got to work inside a giant planetarium, one of the UK's biggest, and show 6-year-olds all about our solar system. That was great. Did you know that the original Lego was designed for architects so that they could make scale models of houses and other buildings that they were creating? That's why the original sets just had plain bricks, roof pieces and windows and doors, and that was about it. I really prefer Lego Technics. You can make so many more cool things with the gears, with the wheels, with the axles. You can make great stuff with Lego Technics, not just houses. My favourite piece in the Lego box is the counterweight, because I think we haven't really fully explored all the ways that we can use the counterweight, and I'm excited to see how we can use it in the future. I love how heavy it is and how solid it feels in my hand. My favourite model is the helicopter with the winch. I love the way that it uses the belt drives to make lots of different things happen, and the winch going up and down with the rescuer on it is really cool. I think that it's absolutely amazing that you guys build all of these models. I have found some of them really tricky. For example, the spider and the tank engine. I needed to get help with those myself. I hope you enjoy working on the worksheets and filling them all in and then showing your parents what you've learned and what you've worked on, and I hope you have fun making the models.